How to change time on Fitbit. First thing you have to do to change time on Fitbit is open up the application. Once you open up the app, you just need to make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, the next step is to actually head over to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Once you get your profile setting, you'll find the Fitbit settings option. Just tap on it. And once you land on the settings page, under app settings, you'll find date, time, and units. Head over there, and then you are going to see the time zone option. Click on it. Now, if the set automatically option is turned on, it will take time from your phone. You just have to turn it off. Then click on time zone. Now you can select any time zone from around the world here. So go ahead and click on the time zone that you want to change to. So let's say if I just change to here and go back. Now as you can see, the time zone has successfully been changed. And that's how you change time on Fitbit. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.